in. Because you can see again the down screen by the small man for Malone. Pick and roll. Malone. Will go 3. Hindi nakasunod-sunod. Nasa perimeter pa yung bola. Shot clock winding on. Out of order, Utah Jazz. Big turnover. Walang pagkakatawan ang Utah Jazz is scoring. Stockton looking for Malone. He's by the long arms of Ron Harper. Yun. Naipasa niya yung bola. Illegal D. Yeah, illegal D. Against the Bulls. Pero only first offense chance, so it's just gonna be a warning plus. Aside for that team theory ni Karl Malone. Again, the assist pass coming from John Stockton, the all-time assist leader of the series. Back-to-back. Gets para Karl Malone, but he couldn't make it to 30. No, he missed the third attempt. This coverage of the NBA Finals is also brought to you by Neosep. At the first sign of a cold, take Neosep, the total cold specialist. Well, nasa with his Stockton and nobody to help him out, so he was forced into a turnover. Again, it's that play of Michael Jordan in the post-up move. He gets away from everyone. Michael Jordan. Eto na. Magtatrabaho na si Michael Jordan with 3:57 to go. But the Jazz still ahead by 1 point. We have a holding foul called against Long. Team Malone come from the weak side to help. Pero Jordan realizes that the help is coming, so let me take this mismatch quickly. Ayaw ko nang antayin pa si Malone dumating na and they're forcing up to give up the ball. And good recognition by Jordan. Nakita ni si Malone going to one side. Kanya tumingin siya to this other side. Again, Stockton forced into consecutive turnovers as he tries to drive down the middle this time. Partner, mahigpit na ang depensa ng Chicago Bulls sa interior. Longley. Here's a surprise jumper. Look Longley. Yes, Andy. Relax pa rin si Jerry Sloan. Napapansin natin, even though he's down by 1, it's because of 2 turnovers and no shots attempted by his team. 3-point shot by Hornacek. The Chicago Bulls now have an advantage. Loose ball foul kontra kay Rodman, partner. Well, tignan natin itong play. At actually, offensive foul pa si Stockton doon. Maswerte si John Stockton, hindi siya natawagan ng offensive foul. He warded off with his left hand. Turnover. So, marami din tayo mga missed calls na nakikita dito sa NBA coverage natin. Yep. And this one, a set-up job by Michael Jordan para sa kanyang teammate na si Luke Longley. Greco. What play? Michael Jordan in the post-up move. He gets away from everyone. Michael Jordan. Eto na. Magtrabaho na si Michael Jordan. 5 quarter. Here in the fourth period, only 4 points, but a grand total of 26 for Mike. Eto po si Karl Malone. A double-double performance. Yeah, 19 points, 14 rebounds, quiet 19 points, but beginning to pick up here in the fourth quarter. And this is where the mailman delivers. I mean, Jerry Sloan, that he can use Malone and also Carter, speed up the game, have more experienced players on the floor. And he's going to that. Magaling talaga siyang coachy. He also coaches by what the situation calls for, no? Wala man siyang legitimate center. He's doing with 2 power forwards. That's right. Antoine Carr, 35 years old. He was a Denver Nuggets first-round draft choice back in 1983. So he is a veteran. Malakas yung tira ni Michael Jordan. Nakuha naman ang Utah Jazz. And the Jazz are on top by 177-76 with possession, 2:35 left in this first ball game of no fast breaks here, and Scottie Pippen will set it up. But there, ang daming 3-point threat sa Chicago Bulls at this stage. Harper and Tony Kukoc waiting. Pero si Michael Jordan sabi niya, ako na lang ang titira. Scottie Pippen, 1-point lead para sa Chicago. And John Stockton looking to execute sa kanilang half court. Karl Malone Partner, yun naman ang two-man game niya, pero nasa labas silang dalawa. Andy.
Yeah, and he had to take a couple of dribbles. That's how versatile a player Karl Malone is. Balik na naman ang lamang sa Utah by 1 with 1:25. It's gonna be a photo finish here.
All down the stretch. Poise. Very, very important for either team. Ito si Michael Jordan. He's looking to take over. Scottie Pippen.
3. That was a 3.
Ron Harper. Siya po nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Kick out pass. Scottie Pippen. 3-point basket. Lamang na ng dalawa ang Chicago Bulls. 1 minute to go.
Three-point shot by Stockton. Mabigat ang labanan na ito. Ayaw umayaw at dalawang kupunan, ha? Kinito.
Yes, and Utah Jazz regaining the lead by 1. John Stockton again playing hero here with less than a minute to go in this game. Michael Jordan looking for the ball. He now has it against Hornacek. Behind the back dribble. Anong tawag?
A foul called against Hornacek. Hand check foul. Kaya nga 2 free throws para kay Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan very assist-oriented in this game with 8 assists. Tabla na po tayo, 82 all. At si Dennis Rodman pabalik sa larong ito. Phil Jackson giving some last second instructions to Dennis Rodman. Siguro sabi ni Phil Jackson, box out, partner.
And rebound.
Yes.
Situational substitution ito. I think he also wants him in there to guard Karl Malone at the same time be able to pick up rebounds. Dahil alam niya na pupunta yung bola sa Jazz pag nakashoot si Michael dito sa second free throw. And he misses, so we have a tight ball game.
John Stockton bringing down the ball.
Both teams are in the penalty, Kinito. So, hindi pwede yung defensive at saka loose ball fouls
Well,
dito.
after this play, Chicago will still get back possession.
Yeah, about 11 seconds.
Yes.
Stockton is trapped. He's too far on the outside.
Oh, but a big
Rebound play para kay Malone and may foul pa si Ron. So, free throw shots. Actually, gusto na nga tumawag ng timeout ni Malone. Pag recover niya, you can see Rodman's really holding out. Tama naman yung tawag ng referee. May muntik na hindi inabot ni Malone yung bola dahil hinahawakan ni Rodman sa bewang. Tama naman yung tawag.
partner long rebound because nanggaling sa labas yung tira. And that time, too many players directly underneath the basket.
Tignan mo yung mga tao ng iilang kay Karl Malone there, no?
Yes. Waving their squiggly balloons.
Nakatulog yun.
Mukhang nakatulog na. So, game 1 of the 1997 NBA Finals. Ito na po, pangalawang tira ni Karl Malone. Papasok kaya o hindi? Hindi naman pumasok. Michael Jordan. Siya po nakakuha ng defensive rebound. Tumawag na timeout ng Chicago Bulls. They will have possession with 7.5 seconds to go. Assist in this game so far. Sa tingin mo, if the ball gets into Jordan's hands and if he doesn't find the shot, will he look to pass?
Ah, yes, he will look for either Scottie Pippen or even Tony Kukoc, who might be the third option as they're setting up on the outside. But maraming timeouts ang Jazz. We might expect them to call a timeout as they look at the formation.
Karl Malone missing 2 pressure-packed free throws. And the MVP succumbing to the pressure.
Umaatras siya, hindi pa tapos eh. Not the right follow-through, you know. Definitely, alam niya, mali siya dyan.
Wala
The game ito, hindi. They're laying off.
Partner, this could also go into overtime and it's
Very,
in the
very
hands
possible.
of Michael Jordan. Dapat tumira na siya. Ayun, yun ang tira ni Jordan.
Yes.
Pumasok. Tapos ang laro, mga kaibigan. Chicago Bulls ang nanalo ng game number 1. Michael Jordan going it for the Chicago Bulls. A last second shot at the buzzer. Hindi alam masasabi mo.
That shows what kind of a player Michael Jordan is. I'm very surprised at the Jazz na hindi nila tinobul team nung pumunta yung bola kay Michael, especially on the outside. Malone with a look of dejection. He could have put a lot of pressure on Chicago with those 2 free throws. Masakit ito para sa kanya.
Michael Jordan went up for the jump shot with hardly any time left. And let's look at that again.
Ang ganda ng shot clock. Look at it. Michael's reading the shot clock. He doesn't want to go too early. 2.2, he makes his move. Actually, may foul na doon, no? And he shoots a 20-footer. Kinito.
Yes, and he took that lateral step to one side. Brian Russell, siya po ang gumagwardya kay Michael Jordan. And actually, nag-reach in ito si Brian Russell.
For me,
That
that's
was
a
the big
foul.
gamble.
Yeah.
It could have been a foul. Hindi tinawag ng referee. But Michael Jordan saying, kung hindi nyo tatawagan yung foul, ako lang ang titira at ipapanalo ko ang larong ito for the Chicago Bulls.
Well, pure concentration on Michael. He's not gonna let those things ruffle him. And that was a great, great play by probably the greatest player in the NBA today.
Partner, what a classic shot and a classic ending to game number 1. Yun ang tira ni Michael Jordan. You see that clenched fist. Michael Jordan with a spectacular performance, the hero of this ball game, and the United Center crowd very much alive. And partner, Utah Jazz looked like it was in control of this game through much of this contest.
Again, Chicago did not play well. I think only 2 guys really played well, but they managed to escape away. Jordan, 31 points, Pippen, 29 points, a lot of rebounds, Malone, 23. They're able to use 2 more, and Stockton, 16 points and 12 assists.